Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Paidwork app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Come to apps is here in there you're looking for Paidwork app, or just click on search. Then here at Paidwork app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to, when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this is here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, then you search here for Paidwork app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.